Now we will solve this problem using nodal analysis. So we apply here nodal analysis to solve this problem. In previous lecture I have solved using mesh analysis. Using mesh analysis I have solved, but in this problem here we will try to solve it using nodal analysis only, right? So what we do here, we can take a current here. This is I1, right? This current is coming here and this is the current going here. By KCL we can write, by KCL at only one node here, so we can take it VA is the node voltage. By KCL at A node, this is node A and VA is its voltage. So what is, so incoming current KV naught is equal to outgoing current, and this is I1 plus KV naught is equal to 5. So what is V naught? V naught we can write, V naught is equal to 2 into I1, equation number 2. Now what is I1? So I1 we can write from first I1 plus K V naught is equal to 5. So this is I1. So we can write 4 minus VA and divided by 2 and plus KV naught is equal to, what is 5? Fine. So I1 is what? I1 is equal to 4 minus VA by 2, right? So this is equation number 3rd. So from second and third, what we can write, second और third को अगर हम सॉल्व करें तो हमारे को क्या मिलेगा? हमारे को मिलेगा V naught will be equal to 2 into I1 and this is equal to 2 into 4 minus VA and divided by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so V naught is equal to 4 minus VA. Equation number 4. Solving this equation A, we can assume equation A. हमें K की वैल्यू मालूम करनी है. We have to find out the value of K. So what is the value of K? We have to find out. So from equation A and 4th we get, so 2 minus VA by 2 and plus K, and this is 4 minus VA is equal to 5. So this we can write here. So 4 minus VA and plus K, 2 4 minus VA is equal to 10. So this we can solve. 2K 4 minus VA will be equal to 10 minus 4 and plus VA, right? So this is 6 plus VA, right? This is 6 plus VA. Now we have to find out what? We have to find out first the value of VA, but we are missing one equation, and that equation is very important, and that is the power across 12.5 ohm. So since P power in 2 ohm will be equal to I1 square into 2, and this power is given, and this is equal to 12.5 watt. So we can get I1 from this, so it is making our equation final. So what is from this equation, what we can get? Since 2 I1 square is equal to 12.5, this implies that I1 will be equal to under root 125 and by 20, so this is 525 and 54, so 5 by 2 ampere. This is I1, and once we are getting I1 we can get what? तो मैं इसको अब रब कर दूं, ये आप देख लीजिए, मैं इसको अब रब कर रहा हूं. Now since I1 is equal to 5 by 2, so from third equation क्या कहता है? थर्ड इक्वेशन कहता है I1 is equal to 4 minus VA by 2. this is our final equation from where we have to collect the value of 2k. So this is 5 by 2 is equal to 4 minus VA by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This implies that 5 minus 4 is equal to minus VA, and this is VA is equal to minus 1. Right? From this equation we can call it equation number B. From B equation, what we can write? 2k, and this is 4 minus VA, 4 minus VA, and this is equal to 6 plus VA, and since VA is equal to minus 1, so 2k 4 plus 5 is equal to 6 minus 5. So what we are getting here, this is 1, right? Oh, this is minus 1, so VA minus 1 minus minus plus 1, so 6 minus VA is VA is 1, so this is equal to 5. What we are getting here, 2k into 5, and this is equal to 5. 5 and 5 gets cancelled, k is equal to 1 by 2, and this is equal to 0.5. So this is very simple, और 1 by 1 हमने अरेंज कर करके जोड़ के अपने k की वैल्यू निकाल ली. इस इक्वेशन को आप नहीं भी कैलकुलेट करते तो इस इक्वेशन से हमारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाती, राइट? So this is the thing. Actually in the previous lecture I have forgotten to solve this by nodal analysis, so I have just solved it. Okay, right?